everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. Today's recipe is nice bun. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Advait. Hello everyone. Let's start our today's recipe. Take 2 cup maida, 1 cup sugar, a half cup ghee, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Grind the sugar finely. Then add vanilla essence onto it and once again grind it to mix well. Let's start the dough preparation. Add ghee and baking soda onto a vessel. Beat it thoroughly till it turns frothy. All the granules of ghee should melt and turn frothy along with soda. Now add maida flour. Mix it thoroughly such that ghee is absorbed in maida flour. Sprinkle water and mix well. Consistency similar to roti dough. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. This layered consistency ensures crispiness. Now let's take a portion of dough and start rolling it. Roll it gently to a uniform thickness. Now, cut the rolled dough into pieces as shown. Keep the oil in medium temperature. Start adding the prepared dough. Fry in low flame until light change in color is observed. Around 3 minutes, it will take in low flame. After it cools down, coat the powdered sugar thoroughly. It's done. Advait, taste it now.
Yay, it's very yummy. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.